Respected teachers, my dear brothers, sisters, and all my dear friends. Myself, Haribanya from grade 10, and today I am going to say the speech, deliver my speech on the topic of Visit Nepal 2023. My dear friends, Nepal, as you all know that Nepal is a multilingual, multi-ethnic and multi-religious country. According to current data, there are more than 130 castes in Nepal. There are many religious, many cultural people living in Nepal, but they all are living with harmony between them. Nepal is known as the country of mountains. It is known as the country of temples. It is known as the country of rivers, forest, Mountain Everest, the world's highest peak of the world, having the altitude of 8,848 meters, lies in Nepal, which glorifies our country, Nepal. Nepal, the most unique country known in the world. People of other country know Nepal because of its culture, religious, and the people which they treat others with their hospitality and with their behaviors. If a person, if a child, or if anyone goes in other country, the people of that place recognize that person, that he or she is a Nepali, not because of his dress, not because of his language, because of his behavior and hospitality toward others. Nepal is one of the most unique, most known country in the whole world. So, as we talking about the Visit Nepal 2023, people like to come and visit in Nepal. Why? Because of the hospitality of the people. Why? Because of the culture of the people of the Nepal. Why? Because of the resources, because of the nature of the Nepal that other countries people admire to have. People come here for tourism, and due to which Nepal are able to generate a lot of tourism revenue every year. Nepal, the birthplace of Lord Gautam Buddha, Gautam Buddha, light of Asia. Nepal, who is known as the most identified country because of its resources. Nepal, who have the capacity of generating 83,000 megawatt electricity. It is known to that. It can provide electricity to the whole Asia. So it is known to the whole world. Nepal, the most unique country in the world. So my dear friends, as I want to say that for visit Nepal 2023, as you all are students and we are also planning to visit in Pokhara. Why? Because of the nature. Why? Because of the culture of the Nepal, nature of the people of Nepal. So I want to say that if you want to have a good day, if you want to be treated well, if you want to be dressed well, if you want to be behaved well, come to Nepal and visit Nepal. Thank you.